everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to get free Clash Royale rewards. So without any further ado, let's get started. Daily rewards. First, log in every day. Clash Royale gives out free rewards just for opening the game like gold, cards and sometimes even chests. Free chests in the shop. Go to the in-game shop and scroll down. You'll often find a free chest or free item available each day. Just tap on it to claim it. Quest and daily tasks. Completed quest and daily tasks. This gives you rewards like gold, gems, cards, and sometimes even magical items. Fast Royale. Fast Royale offers lots of goodies, chests, trade tokens, emotes, and more as you level up through the crown tires. Special events and challenges. Keep an eye on limited time events and challenges. Most of them offer rewards just for participating even if you don't win every match. Clan Wars. Tap on the clan button. Here you can participate in clan wars. At the end of each war season, you'll get a bonus rewards based on how well your clan did. Trophy Road. Tap on the arena that you are on. Here you can see what rewards you will get at reaching certain level of trophies. As you earn trophies from winning battles, you'll unlock rewards along the way. Keep climbing to grab more chests, cards, and gems. And that's how you can get free Clash Royale rewards.